evening. I'm Alan Marsden. Butte County saw the highest total of new positive coronavirus cases in a single day today. Actually, it was a tie. Action News Now reporter Esteban Reynoso spoke with Butte public health officials today, as well as people who live in the county. And again, this isn't the first time we've actually seen this number, Esteban.
Alan, that's right. This is actually the second time Butte County has 120 new cases, tying the record that was set just 4 days ago. And no other image shows the increase of positive cases like this graph directly from the Butte County Public Health. You can see in the months of May, there's hardly anything. As we move towards June, a little bit of the same, but as we go more towards the right, you can see this huge incline, and that's where we get to September 1st, which is today, the 120 new cases. And Butte County says one of the most difficult things is tracking down where those positive tests come from.
So a typical positive COVID-19 person has typically identified with 10 close contacts.
And Butte County says with such a high number of cases, the task of corralling coronavirus becomes nearly unfeasible.
For example, yesterday we had 178 cases. If all of those people had 10 contacts, you're looking at over 1,700 people that would need to be contacted. So it's impossible to contact everyone.
And that makes the majority of people here fearful.
It is worrisome, and it's very difficult, and we're taking precautions, but I still think it's going to continue to get worse and spread.
Kind of doesn't really surprise me that the numbers have gone up, but I do hope that it gets better.
And some say even though young adults are getting the virus the most, they're scared of who they pass it on to.
Why? Because, they got to be there at home too and be, confined to their spot. So why can they, and they pay for this one to be in.
Although others aren't quite as scared despite their age.
I'm not very fearful about it. I don't know what you can do. I mean, I was young once myself, and you got to have fun, and the virus is kind of a adverse thing we all have to handle.
But others say their age is exactly why they're scared.
Being 83, I feel very vulnerable. I say to people, I've lived longer than I expected, but not as long as I want to.
When I spoke with Butte County, they told me they do not believe the true number of cases in young adults. They believe that number is much higher. Alan, back to you.
All right, thanks, Esteban. Now, Butte County